web this week. I launched on Facebook to the 120 people that like my page. Of those 120 people, approximately 4 tried it, and way more liked the status as if they tried it, but I know they didn't. But it's okay. I appreciate the support in any capacity. And then just recently, I started again working on Ionic and implementing the Canvas library that I'm using, HTML5 Canvas. And this morning, instead of my aha moment, I had an ah moment. And it was that the square, as I drag it around with my finger here, on Brian's phone, it lags about 1 inch when I go that fast. On my phone, it lags about 3 inches when I go 1/3 that speed. So it varies from device to device how much processing power you have. And with something that's animated like this, it's basically doing a JavaScript function like many, many times a second. And Brian's phone can do it more times a second than my phone, and older phones can do it even fewer times. And Brian just got a message. Brian let me use his phone, very kind. It's not very performant, and it's going to get worse when I start adding video. And this is one purple square. And like that's an SVG, that's something HTML should do very easily, and it doesn't. But maybe with requesting animation frames and some of the other animation APIs that JavaScript has, I can leverage some more processing power to make some of this stuff happen. Another interesting thing, in closing, I've noticed you get a certain amount of processing power per canvas. And in a lot of tutorials and documentation, they recommend you actually stack a ton of HTML5 canvases on top of each other. Instead of just, right now I'm stacking elements on top of other elements, but they recommend doing that as well as canvases on top of other canvases. So the inception is real. Anyways, that's about all I have for Ionic, but Layers is live and it works on Safari now, so everybody should be able to try it if they like. Cool.